are in one of the biggest museum of Maharashtra and Mumbai. We are at Chhatrapati Shivaji Vastu Sangrahalaya Museum. This is 100 years old museum and I'm very excited to show a lot of things to my little one. I'm sure he's going to be very curious because all the way I've told a lot of things about the museum. So let's see his reaction.
The entry fees are pretty nominal. It hardly took us 2 minutes to enter the museum and my kid was super excited because I told him so many things on the way. So there are different sections here and we are covering only his age appropriate sections today. We started from the ancient idols and scriptures, and these idols are from 5th century. He was so amazed to see how people used to write in ancient times.
So guys, there are different sections here. There is a mammal section, there is animal section. Right behind me you can see these animals. So here right now we are in animal section. There is a section for aqua animals also, birds also. It's an amazing place to give a real experience to your kids.
The animal section was the best part about the museum. It was wonderful experience because he could stare and understand how these animals are so different from each other. There are so many varieties of peacocks, other birds, etc. Now this particular rhino is here since 1980 and they are preserved with the method called taxidermy. This is a process where they clean and preserve the animal skin, which makes it look very real. It has plethora of information here, very good for elder kids as well. We spent almost 1.5 hours visiting this particular section because he was totally mesmerized to see how these animals are, and because when we visit to zoo these animals keep moving, and here he could actually get a feel of how these animals look and how their body parts are. Aqua section also had a huge variety of species, like this one. This is a large tooth sawfish, and we would never see something like this anywhere, so it was amazing experience for him.
So now we are at Children's Museum here. So there are different sections as I showed you all. And so for today guys, we just thought of doing Children's Museum and the mammal section and a bit of here and there. So right now there are a few activities here and these are the activity sheets which I've got. I will show you all in detail what are these activity sheets. And my kid here is doing some activity here.
So the children's section was under renovation, so we couldn't step inside. However, we did some activities outside, and we also visited coin section, which we couldn't document because the photography was not allowed there. And this was the best part. These are some activity sheets for your kid, and look at these sheets. They cover almost everything what you see inside the museum. So it's a good exercise what you can do at home.
I highly recommend you to visit this museum with your kids. This is open Monday to Sunday to Monday. There are no offs, and the timings are 10 AM to 6 PM, and it is also open on public holidays. So I hope you make most of the holidays guys and do visit this museum.
So do share, save, like my videos, and please subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos. And post museum we went to Gateway of India because it was just 5 minutes from there. So you can plan your day accordingly.